Welcome back. You had a request. You asked me if I can make a video for you to talk about how to evaluate a function. Here it is. If you want to review what is a domain range, what is a function, please look at our previous video. And here, imagine this is the open of your little machine, your function machine. Here is opening. And right here, and it's working. Here's something gonna come out. So you put in a value, and another one gonna be produced, gonna come out. And it follows the rule. The rule says whatever you put in, and we're gonna times by -5 and then plus 12. That is a function rule. Okay? All right, let's put in 0. If we put in 0, which means this input x gonna become 0, plus 12. Any number times 0 is 0. 0 plus 12, that is 12. So I'm going to erase this because I want to write it nicely, looking like this. I'm going to say h of 0 is 12. All right, next one, we're going to put 1 this time. Plus 12, that's a function rule. So -5 times 1, -5. Okay, 12 minus 5, that is 7. So we say, when gonna erase this, we say this function, when the input is 1, the output is 7. Pause this video, see if you can solve this too. Oh, I actually don't want to connect them. I want to solve them independently. I'm gonna say -5 times -2 plus 12. -5, -2, that is +10. We have 22. So when the input is -2, we have 22. Last but not least, all right, -5 times 4 plus 12. So we have -20 plus 12. We have -8. H, when the input is 4, we have output is -8. Here, we just finished our practicing how to evaluate a function. Happy learning!